Welcome to the Audacity tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn what is Audacity, the basic interface of Audacity, and the two methods of giving the voice input to the Audacity application. First of all, Audacity is a free and open source application which is used to create and edit the audio for any purposes. In short, Audacity presents your audio in a better way. It is one of the best free applications which can be used for creating the audio resources. For more information regarding Audacity, you can visit the official website, that is www.audacityteam.org. Once you open the Audacity application, the Audacity interface looks like this. These are the menus which can have sub-menus that can perform some particular action or operation. If you are fond of music, you must be familiar with these icons. These are tools, where each tool represents an action. Whenever the track is playing, you can click on this pause icon to temporarily make it halt at that stage. If you want to play it, you can click on the play icon. Alternatively, both the operations can be done quickly using a keyboard shortcut, that is spacebar. If you want to stop the audio track, you can click on this stop icon. Note that if you want to perform any action or operation on the track should not be in the play mode. It should either be in stop mode or in pause mode. If you want your track to reach to the start, you can click this icon, that is skip to start. If you want your track to reach to the end, you can click this, that is skip to end. We will understand the rest of the tools in the coming session. This tool represents the speaker. Whenever the track is on play mode, the output level of the audio will be shown here. Based on the level of input or output, the levels appear in three different colors: green, yellow, and red. Green indicates below normal level, yellow indicates the normal level, and red indicates the peak level. Similarly, this is a microphone icon which represents the input level of the audio. For example, whenever you will be recording your voice, at that time the input level will be fluctuating based on the intensity of your voice. By default, it won't show the levels. If you want to monitor the levels, then click to start monitoring. Now you can see there is a fluctuation in the voice input. Make sure your voice level is near to the yellow but not reaching the red color, as that could create noise because of the high intensity of input level. Now we will see the two methods of giving the voice input to the Audacity application. Basically, there are two methods in which we can feed the voice input to the Audacity application. One is to record your voice directly through this record button, which is present in your Audacity application itself. Once I click this icon, whatever I speak now, that is being recorded. To stop the recording being done, you can click this stop icon. To play your recorded voice, you can place your cursor anywhere on the track and click on play or press spacebar. For example, I'll click here this portion and click on play. Now that is being recorded. To stop the recording being done, this method is used whenever you do not have your pre-recorded voice and you want to directly record your voice through the application. If you have already recorded the voice clip and want to simply import it to the application, then you can follow this step. You can click on File, click on Import and click on Audio. Once you do this, a dialog box will appear which asks for the location of the pre-recorded voice. For example, in my system, I have it in my desktop. I'll click on desktop and there is a folder named Audacity tutorial. I'll double click on that. There is a file named First Day at School which I want to import to the Audacity interface. I'll click on that file and click Open. In this method, we can import the pre-recorded audio file. In the same method, we can import music files as well as sound effects. In the next video, we will see how the basic audio editing can be done using Audacity. Thank you.